Okay, so this one is a percent yield example. So the information it's giving us is, it says if 8.87 grams of A2SO3, which is, what's that, arsenic 3 oxide, is used in a reaction and 5.33 grams of arsenic is produced, what is the percent yield? Well, you may look at that and say, oh, this is simple. I just put 5.33 over 8.87. But why is that incorrect? Well, it's telling you that it has that many grams in the reaction, and it's exceeding what it's supposed to produce. This is saying what you actually got. I'm using this number to calculate your theoretical, what you should have gotten. Okay? And obviously our actual is probably not going to be the same as our theoretical after we calculate it through. So what I'm doing is a mass-to-mass conversion using 8.87 to get what arsenic should be, and then I'll put this number over that number. Does that make sense? That's when we'll get the percent yield. So first step is to start my mass-to-mass conversion like we would any other. And that's grams of As2O3. And what's my first step in my mass-to-mass conversions? I got to get it to moles. How do we do that? Good. I put 1 mole on top because in 1 mole, we know that if we add up the masses of what's on the periodic table, we will get the grams for that 1 mole of arsenic 3 oxide. So when I added them up, I added 2 arsenics, which each have a mass of 74.92. And I added those up, and then 3 oxygens, and I got 197.84 grams of As2O3. That's what I got. So grams are going to cancel. And now what comes after this step? The molar ratio, right? So the molar ratio in this one is 2 to 4. 2 there, 4 there. So 2 to 4. So I divide by my moles of arsenic 3 oxide. And we said for every 2 moles we get 4 moles of arsenic. Everybody understand where we got those numbers from? We good there? Cool. So once I get my moles of arsenic, these will cancel out here. The whole thing, sorry. And now I need to know grams of arsenic produced. So now I need to get my moles to grams. So what's going to go on the bottom? 1 mole of arsenic. And then where am I going to get this top number? Periodic table. So 74.92 grams of arsenic. That cancels. So then I've got 8.87. I'm going to divide it by the molar mass of arsenic 3 oxide. I'm going to multiply it by 4, then divide by 2, and then multiply by 74.92. And when you do that, you should get 6.72 grams of arsenic. But I'm not done. What do I need to do now with that number? Well, what's percent yield? It's the actual over the theoretical. What did I just find? The theoretical. They gave me the actual. The actual's here, so I need to put the actual, which was 5.33 grams of arsenic, over the theoretical, and multiply that by 100. And when you do that, you should get your percentage, which should be 79.3%. So, Scott? Yeah, you can go.